Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to add a custom touch to your Ram and make it look awesome at night. LED lighting is a great way to add a subtle and custom look to your truck, so today we're going to be installing this X-Lume LED Ram head on our 2015 Dodge Ram. This is X-Lume's white LED Ram emblem designed to fit your 2013 to 18 Ram. It features a white LED backlight that'll look completely OEM when the light's turned off, and it lights up a nice smooth white for a killer look at night. It's designed to easily fit onto the front of your Ram, and it includes everything you need for the install. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Tools you'll need for this installation: trim panel removal tool, 10mm socket, 1/4 inch ratchet, a couple flathead screwdrivers, 1/8 inch drill bit, a drill, safety glasses, and you might need a file. The first thing we need to do for this install is remove this radiator panel up top. Grab a flathead screwdriver or a trim panel removal tool and remove the 6 clips that hold it in place. Get the last clip, then the panel can be removed. Then there's 4 10mm screws that hold the grill in place. With the 4 screws removed, you can now pull out on the grill to release it from its tabs. Okay, we have the grill off and on our table. Removing this emblem can be a bit tricky. There's 4 plastic tabs that hold it in place and some 3M tape. So we're going to use 4 flathead screwdrivers to hold these clips open and then push it out. Now we're going to push on the back of the emblem. And now it's off. With the factory emblem removed, we can see that our new X-Lume emblem doesn't fit onto the grill just yet. What we need to do is use their provided template and drill out all of these holes, and then once they're drilled, it'll make the perfect size for a new emblem. Let's hold the template onto the grill and start drilling the holes. And there are about 80 holes, so this will take a couple minutes. Now that we have all the holes drilled, we're going to connect them all with the drill to make sure this can come out perfectly. Now that our centerpiece is removed, you can test fit and see if the emblem fits. It may be necessary to fine-tune this with a file to get it to fit perfectly. And there we go, it fits perfectly. Now we're going to wipe down the surface with alcohol to make sure it's perfectly clean. Place the wires through the hole. Get your emblem in there. Pull the backing off of the 3M tape. And push down on it and hold it for about 30 seconds. Wipe the side of the emblem right here on the back side with alcohol, and these white tabs will get installed on the side right here to lock it in place. Set it onto the grill and line it up with the emblem. And now this will prevent the emblem from going out the front of the grill. Do the same thing to the other side. Set it on the grill first, work it over to the emblem, and make sure it seats. This grill can now be reinstalled into the vehicle. We're going to pull the wire up on top of the grill and lay it over here for now, and then reinstall the grill into the factory clips. Then install your screws. Okay, now you can run the wire towards the driver's side headlight in the fender. Okay, now you can go inside the driver's side fender and remove the clip to gain access to the access panel. Then you can reach up and pull your wires out. Get the bottom piece onto the middle wire of the connector and then thread the tap on, and this will pierce into the wire, making a connection. Okay, all we have to do now is find a bolt to connect this ground to. If you look in through the access hole, you'll see this 10mm bolt right here. This is where we're going to attach our ground wire to. Now that we have the ground wire attached, we can test the light out and see if it works. Now that we know the light's working, we can reattach the access panel. Then you can clean up your wiring and reinstall the radiator panel. Then your installation's finished. Okay, we got our X-Lume LED RAM head installed on our 2015 Ram. During the day, it has a complete OEM look, but at night, it has a killer look on the front of this Ram. Installing it isn't that hard, but it can be a bit tedious drilling all those holes. I'd give yourself 3 hours to do this, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.